Hello traders, just want to show you another trade that myself and my clients are now out of as of overnight last night. It's the 28th of April. We're out of this trade overnight. This time it was the CAD yen on the 4-hourly time frame. And first of all, you can see this is my live account here. There's no fake screenshots here, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful trade. We entered the market on the 2nd of April. And again, hit our take profit overnight last night. So we're in this trade for 25 days in total. That doesn't bother us. We hold our trades for longer and let our profits run. We entered based upon this area here, this structure. We had multiple confluent factors to warrant taking a long position. And our original stop loss was down here. So our entry was 114.429. Our original stop loss was 113.646, well placed. As the trade was playing out in our favor, and the market gave us an opportunity to manage the trade, we first moved our stop loss into 113.919, not into break even, but allowed us to reduce our exposure. As the trade was continuing to play out, we then moved our stop loss to this area here, and not quite. That was 114.429 was the entry. We moved our stop loss to 114, this guy here. 274, not quite at break even, but again, further reduced our exposure. As the trade was playing out, we managed our stop loss to 114.501. Now we're in slight profit territory. We further managed the trade into 115.296, locking in profits. And once again, we had the opportunity to lock in further profits at 115.793 before price hit our take profit target up here at 117.075. Beautiful trade. 1 is to 3.38 risk to reward. Lovely trade, guys. This is how we go about our business here at the King of Forex. Disciplined, patient trading with confluent factors, and let our profits run and manage the trade professionally as the trade's playing out when the market gives us an opportunity to do so, and not based on emotion. Wonderful trade, great results for myself and my clients, guys. Again, love making money, waking up and know I've made more money when I'm asleep. I love this game we're in. Anyway, guys, that's a classic example of how we go about our business. Thank you very much.